Nickname is Nikki, but my name ain't Nicole.
I've been dancing on top of cars and stumbling out of bars. I follow you through the dark, can't get enough.
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here for a while. My name is Nikki, and it appears we are back in our regular filming space, and I'm glad about that because the lighting in here is just better. Even with the ring light, it's just better. Although I have the ring light on low right now because I think if I turn it up higher, I'm gonna blind myself and everyone else. Yeah, so today's video, Face Shirt Friday. I'm just filming this the day before because my sister's birthday is this weekend, so I'm gonna be partying with my sister from Friday to Sunday. So yeah, I'm gonna film this. And the reason I didn't film last weekend is because they were painting and crap. Well, not crap, sorry. They were painting and everything and couldn't film and had to clean and get stuff. Yeah, it was a little hectic. I still did a look, and it was actually a cute look, but I couldn't film it. So this face chart is going to be it's a little crazy for me. I haven't done something like this in a while, so this should be fun. Right eye, left eye. Okay, so the left eye, that way. All right. I'm just looking at the chart on my phone. Don't know if you can see that because my brightness is usually all the way up, so I don't know if you can see. This is the chart I'm gonna be doing. Yeah, it's a Gold Beauty face chart. Haven't done her charts in a while, but that's because no one sent them to me. This one got sent to me last fall, and I never did it because I was too afraid to put the leaves on my face. But guess what? Because I didn't film last week, now we gotta go big or go home. So for this particular look, I'm going to be using two palettes. This palette, I'm only going to use one. No, wait, let me check the other one because I'm looking at this chart. So I'm going to use two colors out of here. And that would be the shade, I think this yellow shade is called B, and then the green shade Daddy. So, this palette is just cray. It is. I've used it often. Yeah. So I'm going to be using, so big. B, which is this yellow shade, and then Daddy, which is this green shade. And the other colors, there are like 3 or 4 of them that are coming from the Makeup Shack palette, the Rainforest palette. I'm going to be using the brown shade that's in here. This green shade, you can't really see that it's green, but this is a shimmery green right here. I'm going to be using that. It's kind of covered in pink stuff, but yeah, that's what it looks like. It was covered in pink because, you know, Fallout, it's real. The orange shade that's in here, actually both orange shades, I'm going to be using these two. They don't have names, so I'm going to be saying these two right next to each other. One is like a yellow orange and then orange. The brown, the yellow orange, and the orange, and the green. So yeah, that's 4 shades. I've already set my concealer with everything. For lips, I'm going to be using these two. Clean Color Madly Matte Lip Gloss in the shade Licorice, and then this Jeffree Star Cosmetics Mistletoe, because that is the only green lipstick that I have, and that is what I need. So, if you hate him, I apologize. But that's not, I mean, that's between you and him. Ain't got nothing to do with me. And I'm going to be using Eddie Funkhouser Decadence palette for the inner corner highlight, of course. So yeah, and for the leaves, I'm going to be taking this and this lighter green in here. I'm going to mix them together to make it like an olive shade because these two are, all these olive shades here are too dark. So I'm going to take this with that green lipstick to do the leaves. So I have everything here. Let me open this so I don't have to keep opening it. I don't know why I can't talk today. I love this desk, it's so much space. But I gotta get rid of it, put it in my room. Palettes are open, don't need that one yet. You're going to see the back of this, but I'm only using it because of the mirror. So, this is the longest introduction I've ever done. Enough talking, let's get started. Now I did make the ring light brighter, so if it looks brighter, that's why. Only because, like, I don't know. When I checked back, I turned the camera and I checked back, it looks a little dark. So, here we are. Now I'm going to take the ColourPop liquid liner in the shade Numero Uno to do this. Only because I bought this and I forgot I had it, so you know. Now we're going to play with it. I mean, I used it a little bit yesterday for my dots. But I used Graceland a lot more yesterday than I did Numero Uno. So I'm going to put this on. I'm not going to do the left eye on camera because that needs full concentration and focus. I will say that I do like these liners. I want all the colors, and they should come out with more colors. Don't you lock on me, phone. And then I'm going to take that same brush that I used for the black and just smudge it while it's still wet, so it blends better. A little smudgy smudge never hurt anyone. Then I'm going to take that brush that I used no, I'm not even going to use that. I'm going to take this Wet n Wild Beauty brush and just blend right here. Okay, now I'm gonna go off camera and do the left eye because I need focus. I'm gonna do the exact same thing that I just did. And now I'm going to take the orange shade. Yeah, I did everything. Now I'm going to take the orange shade from the Makeup Shack. And I need to find the perfect brush to... I can use this one. I'm gonna take the orange shade from the Makeup Shack palette, the dark orange first, and then I'll put the yellow orange on top of it. Boop, 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 boop. So it goes on the lid like so. I mean, I'm gonna take the same brush with the black on it and smudge them together. I mean, blend them together. Well, technically it is a smudging technique. Clearly, I've been watching too many art-themed shows. I don't know why I like Gumball, but I don't understand the talking balloon. There's a talking balloon on this show. And then I'm gonna take the yellow orange to prep for the yellow. I mean, you can't really see it, obviously. I don't know, maybe you can. I mean, I can see it. And then the yellow from the James Charles palette. Do people still hate him? I don't know. I stay off of Twitter these days because I can't handle it. But do people still hate him? Is he back in y'all good graces? I don't know. Like, I feel like I was just doing a look, not with yellow though, but with the pinks. Okay, I feel like I just did this, but it was the pinks. Of course, I'm going to take that Wet n Wild Rose brush and just go up there. This brush is so good at blending things together. Alright, I need the yellow again because my left eye is not as bright as the right eye, you know? So apparently the Makeup Shack yellow has a better staying power than the Morphe yellow, so I should have just used this entire Makeup Shack palette for this look. I'm irritated. Anyway, onto the lower lash line. Lower lash line, I'm going to take Daddy first, which is from the Morphe palette. And then I'm going to close this palette because it has irked my nerves. Whoa, I knocked over my water. I'm going to put that on my... You know what I just realized? I don't need this palette. I have the Just My Look palette right here. Wow. Can we say fail? We can. Like, I'm looking at all the greens in this palette. Idiot. So I'm going to go into the shade Act Natural, and then the shade right, those two. I'm going to use these two for this look, and maybe a little bit of Mary Jane, because it's kind of shiny if you look at the face chart. Fail. And that's a better green anyway. Act Natural is better than Daddy. And so that's, I'm putting that over Daddy. I'm not even going to give Daddy credit. I'm not even going to give this palette credit, except for two, and that's the only thing that worked properly. And then I'm going to go into Big Banks, which is that darker shimmer shade right above Act Natural. And put it there. And there. And then Mary Jane on top of all of it. And I didn't do lashes because I'm afraid if I add anything else, it's going to ruin what I've done. So the next part is going to be the leaves. So I'm going to go find a paintbrush. So I got my paintbrush. Yeah, and I'm going to be taking this lipstick, like I said. And I'm actually going to use Big Banks from the, I'm not going to use the Makeup Shack. I'm going to use Big Banks. I'm making a mess. Yes. I mean, I wasn't planning on making a mess, but here we are. And I'm not going to talk through this part because I have to work quickly so this lipstick doesn't dry on the back of my hand. So, I'm going to go into the shade Tipsy at Noon, which I use this a lot. It's almost gone. I mean, well, not gone. I'm about to hit pan. And that is going to be our inner corner highlight. Yeah, I'm definitely taking it and highlighting my brow bone a little bit to prepare for the dots, because I'm still going to do those. There's nothing on this brush, I put too much on that side, so I gotta fix it. And my lips are almost dry, and while they're still dry, I'm going to take numero uno and do my dots. I guess I could have did them green, couldn't I? Oh, that's an interesting dot. It has lots of character. trying to make it into a circle. But it looks so crappy. But I'm gonna let it dry, then I'll wipe it off and redo it. While that's doing that, now we're gonna go back into this palette. And if you look at the center of the lips, it's really light. So I'm just going to take the shade Mary Jane, this one right here, and plop it on my lips with the finger. I did say plop, didn't I? Get it in between the cracks. I look crazy. I'm not gonna turn my nose brown. As much as I love her and her looks, I'm not gonna turn my nose brown. I am going to take this Hello Gregory highlight though, because you know, why not? And get right here because it's super light. Right here, and the chin is also super light, so get a little bit on Cupid's bow. Actually, I'm gonna mix this and the Mary Jane together for my Cupid's bow. I'm just going back and forth. Oh, that came out really pretty. And then my nose, and for my nose, I'm just gonna use Hello Gregory. Where is my highlighting brush? I always lose a brush. I don't know how I do it, but I don't lose it. I just have so many brush cups that, you know, you misplace it, you put it in the wrong cup. And then I take my finger and boom, 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 boom. And I fixed everything that needed to be fixed. And I probably want to get a sweater on. It's actually cold, kind of cold. So yeah, put a sweater on. I like it actually. I actually like it. I fixed the dot, obviously. I mean, the leaves could have been a bit better if I found the right brush, but other than that, I have makeup all in my hair, and that's fine, you know. I just use this to cover it, cause like that's all foundation. That's okay. That's okay. I even got it up here. Oh well. Anyway, what are you gonna do? I like this actually. So now to go take pictures, and yeah, you will see this. Well, I'm seeing it first. It won't be posted till Friday, but today is not Friday. It'll be posted Friday. I'm about to film another video, so you're going to see this look. I'm taking the leaves off after I take pictures of me. But you're going to see this again. You're going to see the eye and the lip before Friday. But that's okay. You'll just be confused as to what's going on. That's it. That's all. Bye.